Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you what are Python modules and what are Python packages. Now you can see in the project panel I have created a application.py file. This is a module. If I create a new Python file, it is a Python module. You can see I have created two Python modules named application.py module and test.py module. Every Python file you create is a module. Now, what are Python packages? Package is a directory that contains init.py Python module. Now, I'll show you how to make a Python package. Right click on your project folder and go to new and create a new directory. I name it as package. Now, all we have to do, we need to create a Python module called double underscores and put init and put double underscores and put .py. No, don't need to do .py in Python. Now, this is a package. You can see a little dot on the folder icon. This is a package. This image shows us this is a Python package, not a directory. Now we have successfully created a package. You can also create another package using this way, and Python allows you to create Python package using this option here, Python package. Now I'm going to create a test package and name it as text test. When we hit enter, you can see it automatically creates the init.py file. Now you know what is a Python module and Python package. Again, I say Python module is a Python file that you create, and Python package is a folder that contains init.py file. Now this is all for this video. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to use this package and modules to build your own Python programs. Give a like to the video and subscribe my channel. Let's meet in another video.